Do you want a bird's eye view of your production so you know exactly where to focus your attention? The WATS Process Heatmap shows you exactly where it matters the most so you can act fast and with confidence. This is the WATS Process Heatmap, your visual starting point for root cause analysis. It gives you a view of your entire manufacturing process, allowing you to organize by product, site, or any other dimension that you choose. Each cell shows key metrics at a glance, things like yield, stations used, and steps that are causing the most failures. No digging through data, just scan through the heat map and see where the biggest issues are hiding. You can customize the view to match what is important to you. Specific products, factories, or test operations, whatever helps you get clarity. It gives you a clear, data-driven picture of your entire production flow and helps you focus on the issues that are impacting first pass yield the most. And with WATS Alvea built in, you get AI-driven suggestions right on top, revealing patterns and insights that you might have missed. Altogether, it's a smarter and faster way of understanding your test data and take action where it counts.